says.
Oh my God, who let her come out the house looking like that? I'm about to turn up instead of doing
She is doing the most.
Doing the most. OMG, what do she have on?
She Ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she Ratchet.
Give me a phone. I'm about to take this house.
You know you Ratchet.
Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
Cause she Ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I am too grown.
She Ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
Ratchet.
Ooh, I just want to punch her in her face.
Oh, she Ratchet.
I can't stand her. Oh, she's too fake.
You know you Ratchet.
Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr.
Girl, what?
A baby boy, and it came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club. In the middle of the floor. No shoe. Whisper. I had to get cute today. I was bought them jeans for boots today. I had to keep looking good with my baby. Just made Bill. He thought he'll shoot today. New baby, new shoes today. Child support check get two today. Got the tracks yesterday. Girl, did you get the food today?
No way.
Gone be beat up. Move, stamp.
Get out my way.
It's the 15th. I got my food stamp. Got a brand new piercing. Brand new tat.
Right.
Paid $95 for this week. Plus tax. This ain't gonna watch like my phone. No real head is pink alone. Thinking that you better than I am. Well, girl, you thinking.
Stupid.
Whatever. She lie. My number. What bye? Oh my God, what is wrong with you?
Girl, be quiet.
Hey, girl. You look cute. Oh my God, turn on.
Let me see what you.
Okay.
Girl, talk to you later, girl.
OMG, what does she have on?
She Ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she Ratchet.
Hey, look, I'm gonna take this head up.
Bitch, you know you Ratchet.
Got it. I'm gonna put this girl on Twitter.
She
Cause
Ratchet.
I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
She Ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
You Ratchet.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
Oh, she Ratchet.
I can't stand her. Ooh, she's too fake.
No, you Ratchet.
My name is Emmanuel, but my girlfriends call me Cardi.
That right.
To be open free from 11 till we party. Yes, I am the baddest. You can't have this boo-boo, sorry. Cause 2 Chainz is my future baby daddy.
I know he the baby daddy.
Sorry,
I
got my
just know
jersey dress on. Jordan Hills match my press on.
Alright.
Town team, dark skin. We don't like them red
What you saying?
The face in my picture. New LV got glitter. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter.
What you
I'm
working
with Team Flintstone,
Alright.
Team Chris Brown. If she don't shut it up, then it's Team Shut It Down.
What you gonna
I'm
do?
with Team Bad Chick.
Okay.
Team with your man.
Damn
If he
right.
got a lot of money, then it's Team Keep Paying. OMG, what do she have on?
She Ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she Ratchet.
Give me the phone. I'm about to take this half up picture.
She Ratchet.
Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
You know you
Cause
Ratchet.
I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
You Ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
You Ratchet.
Ooh, I just want to punch her in her face.
Oh, she Ratchet.
I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake.
She Ratchet.
Girl, let me get her just one at a time. Just one
Girl.
at a time. What?
She don't want these
Ooh.
feelings. She don't want them.
You just don't know. You ain't
No,
bought
she-
that life,
no,
girl. And you think we want your boyfriend? We got our baby daddies.
Fuck.
Peace.